North has issued a tornado warning for central Ventura County in
from
southwestern
Fidelity.
California,
Ben isn't
southwestern
worried
Los
about
Angeles County in
retirement
southwestern California
because his
until
plan is
8:30
backed by
p.m.
the team
Pacific
at
Daylight
Fidelity.
Time. At
A group
8:17
of
p.m.
investment
Pacific Daylight
professionals
Time,
manages
a
Ben's
severe
IRA for
thunderstorm
you,
capable of producing a
analyzing market
tornado was
conditions
located over
and
Point
helping him
Lincoln
stay on
State Park,
target.
or 10
He
miles
gets
south of
one-on-one coaching
Camarillo,
when he wants some
moving northeast
advice
at
and
35
can
miles
adjust
an
his
hour.
plan whenever he needs
Hazard,
to. And
tornado.
now he's so prepared for
Source,
retirement,
radar
Ben is
indicated
feeling
location.
totally zen.
Impact,
That's the planning
expects
effect
damage to
from
mobile
Fidelity.
homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near western Malibu around 8:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Newberry Park around 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include
She found it.
Ventura
The feeling
County.
of finding the psoriasis
Take cover
treatment
now.
she's been looking for.
Move to a basement
Sotitu
or
is
an
the first
interior
of its
room on the
kind
lowest
once
floor
daily
of a
pill
sturdy
for moderate
building.
to severe plaque
Avoid
psoriasis for the
windows.
chance at clear
If
or
you are
almost clear
outdoors,
skin.
in a mobile
It's like
home,
the feeling
or
of
in a
finding that
vehicle,
outfit
move to the
psoriasis
closest
tried to hide
substantial
from you,
shelter
or
and
finding
protect
your
yourself from
swimsuit
flying
is ready
debris.
for prime time. Dad, once daily Sotitu is proven to get more people clearer skin than the leading pill. Don't take if you're allergic to
Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for central Ventura County in southwestern California, southwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Point Lincoln State Park, or 10 miles south of Camarillo, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near western Malibu around 8:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Newberry Park around 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Naval Base Ventura County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
After I had my son, I wasn't real happy, and so I did, abuse my medication.
You know.
Source, radar indicated location. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles.